Hi, my name's Dan Bennett. I'm a PhD student with Osama Matatla and Anne Rideau at Bristol University's Big Lab. My work builds on recent research in cognitive science which aims to understand the body's role in intelligent behaviour. My research asks whether we can understand how engaged or mentally fatigued a person is by observing patterns in their behaviour during technology use, and whether we can do this through commonplace components like keyboards, mice and accelerometers. So how does this work? Whenever we use technology, we engage our bodies. This is true even for something like typing an essay. As we create and edit a text, we move our hands and fingers on the keyboard, and we must coordinate these movements with more typically mental processes, things like spelling words, constructing sentences and planning structure. All of these processes must be coordinated together. Recent research suggests that the coordination of all these neural and physiological processes requires complex, nested interactions within our bodies, between muscles, sense organs, nerves and neurons. These networks of interactions leave traces in our bodily movement, complex nested patterns of variation called multifractals. What's more, these multifractal patterns vary in meaningful ways according to the complexity of the task and the way we're adapting ourselves to it. My research brings these ideas into HCI. I investigate whether we can observe changes in these multifractal patterns during technology use and use them to make meaningful inferences about behaviour and experience. My results suggest that we can use multifractal patterns to infer a person's level of engagement with a task, their progress in learning a skill, and their level of mental fatigue. I believe that these approaches have huge potential in interface design. Multifractal patterns have been observed in a wide range of human behaviours, suggesting that these techniques could be applied to a huge range of interactions, from typing to gaming to sports coaching. And this doesn't require specialist equipment. We can work with data from keyboards and accelerometers and potentially many other interface devices. In the future, I hope multifractals can help us build more intelligent systems which adapt more appropriately and unobtrusively to the user.